everyone. So here is how to farm your SOSO value season 2. If you miss out on season 1 or you do not qualify for season 1, then this is your opportunity to get position for the season 2 and do the right thing by farming rightly so that you'll be able to qualify for season 2. And for those that are just signing up on SOSO Value, once you click on the link to sign up is in the description box of this video. Click on the link, paste it to your wallet browser if you are not using a PC. When I mean wallet browser, I'm talking about either Mrs. browser or Brave browser, or you use a PC like a desktop, laptop, or what have you. So once you click on the link, you'll be able to enter your details to sign up. Fill in the sign up form, and you will have this page. For better view, put it on desktop mode. If you are using a mobile device to access it, maybe through your Mrs. browser or Brave browser or OKX DApp wallet, the DApp browser on OKX wallet, put it on desktop mode. Click to switch to desktop mode so that you'll be able to see the screen clearer. So remember, put it on desktop mode and you'll be able to get this page like it is on my system like this. So after you are done doing that, this is how to earn points. Or if you have signed up before now and you've not been doing the daily task to earn points, then you might not qualify for season 2, because the more points you earn, the more active you are, the more you can get your airdrop the more you get airdrop allocation. And let me remember to also say this. They made an announcement that they will be listing by Q1 2026. Q1 2026. That is just a few months away. So if you are just signing up, you have the opportunity to be active and you can qualify for season 2. The reward for season 2 is higher than season 1. I think they are distributing $30 million worth of $30 million worth of SOSO value. So the season 1 was just like $100,000, and a lot of people, including myself, got in this. We got on this. So if you miss out on season 1, or you are just signing up, or you are just getting to know about SOSO value, then position for season 2. You are not too late, because the TGE is Q1 2026. Q1 2026. So when Q1 should be January, February, March. So between January to March, that's when the distribution will happen for season 2. So check the registration link in the description box of this video for you to get started and start farming if you are just getting to know about SOSO value. And if you have not been farming rightly, if you have not been claiming the points rightly to earn daily points, then this is how to do the task. After you must have signed up and you have this page, remember to put your mobile browser on desktop mode so that you can have this page. Once you have this page, come to this where they wrote ESP and click on it. So if you have your ESP, you see the first task. You are seeing bonus daily starter pack. So these are the bonus tasks. These bonus tasks, I've done it for today. You see, follows Sodex on X. I've just done that and I earned 3,000 points. Daily tasks, you click on it. This one is where you check in every day to earn the daily reward. The more you check in, you see day 1, 1,000, day 2, 2,000, day 3, 1,000, day 4, 2,000, day 5, 1,000, day 6, 1,000, day 7, 3,000. That is how the check-in reward works. And also, if you check it, the way the check-in thing works is just by clicking on this ESP, then come to daily task. The moment you click on the daily task, it will automatically check you in, and this box will be ticked. So the moment you click on the daily task, it will automatically check you in, and this box will be ticked like this. So it's not as if you are clicking on check-in, but you click on ESP, come to daily task, and you automatically get the reward for that day, like the check-in reward for that day. Then you scroll down. You are seeing like post on Instagram, like on TikTok, watch list, X like, YouTube watch, and you are seeing this is a then X share. So basically this is the daily task. If you do not scroll down, you will not be able to do the you will not see this daily task, and that is why you have to put your mobile device, if you are using a mobile device, on desktop mode. But if you are using a PC, then it's straightforward like this. So after this daily task, come to this starter pack too, and you are seeing visit crypto fundraising dashboard. If I click on visit, I think I've visited this. Let me just verify. I've earned that 10,000 reward. You can see all of this tasks that I'm doing. This is how I've accumulated points for today. So learn more about SOSOVALUE indexes. I'll click on visit and it will take me to this page. So my own is just to view what they, let me click on try now, is to view what they have here, your index, your rules, create your index. I can watch this video to see what they want me to do. Then after checking it out, I'll come back to this ESP. Then come back to the starter pack and click on verify to claim the points. If you do not do all of this, it will not give you that points tax. You see? Got it. So if you do not do all of these things, you will not get the point tax. So I'll click on visit token back community. I'll click on visit. So for those that are just signing up to, there is another tax on this ESP page, whereby they will tell you download on desktop, download on mobile, download app on mobile, and all of that. If you are just signing up, you will see that under the ESP page. So I'll go back to my ESP page, then come back to starter pack and click on verify. So I've earned for that point, for that task. Like I was saying, if you're just signing up, under this ESP page, there's another task. Is it called welcome task? We did that in season 1, where you have to use desktop. They will tell you install on desktop, install on mobile, install on this, install on that. By clicking on it, you automatically earn that point. So if you have a system, preferably, you can use it. If you don't have a laptop, you can just go ahead and do the mobile task. If you are just signing up, you will see that on this page too. If you click on this ESP, you will see that on this page. You see the welcome task for you to earn more points. So this is how you can earn more points on SOSOVALUE and get position for season 2. Remember, you are not late because the TGE is still happening by 2026. So you are not late. If you are serious with it and you are active, and considering that they are even giving times 10 of what they gave in season 1, then you are not late. That's all I can tell you. So check the registration link to get started on this in the description box of this video, and don't forget to also join my Telegram community so that you can get the follow-up updates on all of this airdrop that we are currently farming. So you see how I'm doing the task. Also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube, and turn on your notification bell, then you'll be notified of my back-to-back video uploads. Anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. So subscribe to YouTube, join my Telegram, check the link in the description box of the video or the pin post in the comment section so that you don't miss out on subsequent updates. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one. Like and share this video. Tell your downlines, share to your downlines so that everybody can earn rewards. So you can see how I've gotten 126,000 points for doing all of this starter pack. So don't miss out, stay positioned. You see 30 million SOSOVALUE SOSO season 2 airdrop 2026 Q1. So I'm not even capping. It's already here. So position and be active. Claim every day. Check out the bonus tasks, daily tasks. Always check it out so that you know when they had more tasks and you can earn more reward. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one. and bye for now.